Hello from North Tyrone. I have here today a Makita Jobsite Radio MR002GZ01. I'm going to do an unboxing and review of this today. In my opinion, Makita do some of the best construction site radios on the market today. They're robust, the sound quality is usually excellent, they're quite water resistant too, with a closable battery box in the back and a high IP65 water resistant rating, water ingress. That's what that means if some of you don't know. I wouldn't put it into the bath, but IP65 is quite a high water ingress rating. This particular model is Bluetooth but not DAB. Makita have such a large range of radios, it can be quite confusing which one to buy. Like I said, this one is Bluetooth, but not DAB, it's Bluetooth along with the AM FM. Other models are DAB, but not Bluetooth, DAB and Bluetooth, or just AM FM. Most come in different colours, like the nice black and white design there. And the standard Makita, these sort of colours, you know. So we can crack on with this unboxing now. If you look at the outside of the box, what it tells you is, like I mentioned before, it's Bluetooth. It's got this rating. These numbers are the voltages of batteries it takes. This is quite a good one. This takes all voltages of batteries. Makita range 40, 18 volt, 14.4, 12 volt. I'll turn it around. What's the same there? Turn it around again. It shows you a picture of all the different batteries it takes. There's a DIY Makita battery it doesn't take, but I wouldn't even be interested in talking about them. But anyway, I'll get on with this unboxing. Tells you on the inside of the box, and inside the closable battery box, it's your wall plug adapter, little pair without batteries. And there's another wee box that you put in the two AA's or AAA's or something that holds your radio stations that you're pre-programmed. So there's your nice little manual with it. To all you people out there who read the instruction manuals, I salute you. I'm not one of those people, but I do respect and salute you because I just don't take the time. I usually go back to it if there's something I can't figure out. But anyway, here we are. Very robust handle. I'm going to remove that, pull that out. Quite heavy, quite chunky, feels quite well constructed. On the first glance, this little logo, I don't know if you can see it. There's a little logo here. And that tells you that your aerial is built onto your handle. And that's a very good thing, because other models of Makita radio have an aerial here that screws in. Good enough, but has potential to break off and with rough use. Well, that's that. If you look at the front, everything feels tough. These bars, they stop everything smashed in. USB, aux cable, if we turn it round, we'll see this battery box that I've already mentioned once, at least before. If you open that, you've got inside, this is your AM FM plug and your AA batteries that go on here. Leave one there, there's two of them in there. Leave one there. Like that. That does, that keeps your radio stations from getting lost. So that's that. Also, your AM or your AC/DC adapter. If you haven't got a battery, maybe you haven't got a battery, this plugs in, but it doesn't plug in the battery box, which is a good thing, because that would mean it would affect the waterproof rating of your battery box. We'll close that for now. Plugs on the side here. So that's very good. Next thing to do would be put a battery in. You see there's 3 battery slots for the 12 volt, 14.4 and the big 40 volt. So the 18 volt, which I'm using here, goes in here. It doesn't really matter what voltage of battery or what size of battery you have for this. It's not really crucial, because a radio would be a very slow drain thing. And that 18 volt 5 amp battery would literally run that for days on a single charge. Nice light up screen, just switch it on with this button and you go source, AM, and there's the Bluetooth, you can pair with it. There's your preset stations. The real nice bright display. The real benefit with this one is not the AM FM radio. The real nice thing about this is the Bluetooth. And I paired it with the Bluetooth earlier on. I did a little dry on before I made the video. And if you read online, if you read the specs of this, it says that Bluetooth will reach 10 meters from the radio, your device. You can go up to 10 meters from the radio with your device and it won't lose signal. Well, I tested that theory. I did in a straight line, I didn't do it around the corner or anything, but it was closer to 20 before it cut out. So I think Makita's probably selling themselves a little bit short with that stat. But like I say, that's the Makita Bluetooth AM FM radio, which I think is nicely finished in the white and black. Very robust. Very easily Bluetooth connectable. Waterproof battery box. All round great radio. Say Makita makes some of the best radios in the market. I think they haven't done wrong this time either. At the price point of about £100. If you want a Bluetooth radio, you could do worse than this one. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and go over for more unboxing and reviews and more hopefully in the future. Thank you and goodbye.